So if you watch our channel, you know that recently we've been talking a lot about burnishing. Cogsdill in the UK supply a product like this, and there is in fact that here at Farrel in Rochdale. Tony, tell us about the success you've had using Cogsdill's solution.
Yeah, we use Cogsdill diamond burnishing tools on our turning operations, our finished turning operations, for several years now, and we're benefiting that on, as you can see here in the background. We burnish all the finished journals rather than it's taking away a finished grinding operation, which was, several 8, 9, 10 hours operation and another load. Another work centre.
It's a massive saving, but what about the actual finish that you're getting? Is it comparable?
The finish is more than comparable. The other benefit that you get from a burnishing surface is also it kind of work hardens the surface, so you get a harder finished surface compared to grinding.
Does it matter what material you're trying to do this on, do you find? Because I know there's various grades and differences.
Yeah, we find that the harder the material, the better it is for burnishing. Stainless steels, etc., are easier to burnish. One of our problems initially was the material that we use here is general mild steel as such, and it's a little bit soft for the burnishing operation. But playing around with feeds and speeds and techniques, we've settled on a process that's we've benefited from.
It's not just the outcome of the saving of the time, also the fact you don't have to buy a grinding machine potentially, and every associated consumable that goes with that.
As you mentioned, you don't have to buy the grinding machine. We have, as it happens, we have a grinding machine, but the biggest benefit for us means that there's one full process taken out to the component routing. And it's another load, it's another person has to stand in front of that machine and to end up with the same result as a burnishing operation. So.
And material not as hard as you correctly said.
And the material's not as hard as you get from the results you get from burnishing.
And I know at some point you'll be looking at their solutions on other products, won't you? But that's probably a conversation for another day. A fantastic result here for Cogsdill. If you've not heard or not seen burnishing in action, then you need to see more of this on our channel, and also visit companies like this here in Rochdale that have had real success as a result of Cogsdill's products.